How to set CPU cores usage in CS2. So first you simply need to click on your settings. And once you're there, go to game. And once you're here on game, go to game here on the game panel below this one and scroll down till you see the CPU cores usage preference. So as you can see right here, some CPUs have cores that are designed for high performance and others for power efficiency. And this setting configures whether work is preferentially assigned to one or the other type of core. Best setting will vary depending on your hardware and software configuration. Requires the game to be restarted for the change to take effect. So this might help you for your CS2 to perform better and give you higher FPS. So if you want to set it to performance cores only or prefer performance cores. So let's say you want to set it to performance cores only, and you could check and restart your CS2 and see if anything changes with your FPS, if it went higher or lower, and try to experiment with the types of preference right here. And if it doesn't work for you, you could try the other one. And if it doesn't work, you just set it to default right there. And that is basically it.